looking for some money real quick. Yeah, see, I got a couple hundred. I just pulled out of the bank. So if you really want to do some business and stuff, you need some money real quick, and you got a bank with Westgate, then go ahead, you withdraw 800. If your account is not showing any transaction being made, you take out 800 today. Just tell them you want a fresh start loan. That's all you got to tell them. You know. And shout out, to my lady. She told me about this. And yeah, look, it's real. It's $800 in cash, man. It's real quick. Little quick scheme, little trick you can pull. Get some quick money, you see what I'm saying? A little quick, it's a little quick currency, you know what I'm saying? A little quick money. Transactions, you feel me? Shit, I was just broke, man. I ain't had shit in my pocket. Man, you gotta finesse the system. That's how you make it. Just finesse the system, okay? That's all you gotta do, finesse the system, man. If you dead broke, for real, just dead. I was just dead broke. Ain't had shit in my account. 94 cents. That's all I had, 94 cents. Now I got $800. It's quick, just today. Took it straight out of my account. Made my shit go negative.